Sweet Jamaica.
Nah left ya, I the Aki and Sal. Nah left ya.
Me barefoot and run down.
We nah left ya.
Me no know no more.
Nah left ya.
Hi guys, welcome back to Marla's World, and today we're back at you again with another brand new video. Guys, we're at Frenchman Cove in Portland. Yeah.
Guys, welcome back to Marla's World, and if you're new here, welcome to Marla's World, and don't forget to subscribe. In this video, I'll be taking y'all along with me. I'm going to Blue Lagoon and the Frenchman's Cove in Portland and Boston Jerk. It'll be a fun trip, and I'll be taking y'all along with me, so stay tuned for the ride. So now we're in the car. Watch our, it should just say snap snap snap. This is my little nephew Ken, baby Ken you smile, say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. And then that's my sister. Show your face. And then Quicey.
Baby girl.
This baby girl.
Baby girl.
Road trip, guys. Road trip. Guys, we're approaching my high school there, and that's the sign right there, Happy Grove High School, and it's all the way on the hill up there. That's the church that we had our valedictory service. Guys, we made it to Blue Lagoon and now we're going in. Let's go. Guys, we out here, man. We out here. It's hot. You said that you're really confident.
Hey,
you think you have something to say?
I have nothing to say.
Come on in. Ooh, a lot of mercy.
Not gonna go
A lot of mercy.
This is very, very odd.
You look like Bob Marley family.
Yeah, come up on this side. So
Yeah, you must be paying.
Oh.
Yeah. She went up our seat, you know. You went up your seat, you know. A lot of mercy.
I think couple are going to boat, man. Know yourself.
That's what I'm.
Alright.
Should I write the same, Maddie? Put you careful and make your phone drop.
Right? Yeah, what is part so far around?
Alright, stop putting stuff over there. You're on the boat.
The water is so clear and everything. Oh my gosh. You like it, Ken?
Hey peeps, so we're on the Blue Lagoon, one of Jamaica's most famous lagoons. It's actually been dived out multiple times by many important persons, but they've never reached the bottom. So we still don't know how deep it is. So we're just taking a tour. Enjoy.
Enjoy. So guys, we got the lagoon, or we can't see the bottom. Delete that. Nope. Bloopers are fun.
Me too, the first.
Yeah, this is my first time.
You're the only one.
First time, it's
You're
good.
First timers, and this one been here a million years.
Oh. Oh, you take a lot of pictures.
We out here, man. We out here.
Lily and Marla a picture.
I'm mommy.
We can't,
Welcome.
what?
Blue Lagoon. As well. We're having fun out here. Sweet, sweet Jamaica. Nah, Olivia.
Monkey Island over there.
This one.
This right here is Monkey Island.
Y'all seen the monkey? Why they call it Monkey Island though?
That's the name, you know.
Oh, okay.
No monkeys there.
Monkey Island.
Olivia.
Sweet, sweet Jamaica.
Nah, Olivia. Adi Aki and Sal. Nah, Olivia.
Take me barefoot and run down.
We nah, Olivia.
Me no know no more.
Nah, Olivia.
No know no more.
Nah, Olivia. Alligator egg. Is there alligators in here? Oh, okay. Why can't you just walk over there?
No, you have to stay in the village.
Oh. Trying to see if we can see any turtles.
Ooh, that's huge.
Can you?
I'm gonna see him. Oh, gosh.
You look for see here. Right, come on, right. Alright. Yeah.
Oh, that looks like one. Why?
The water.
Wanna come out?
Yeah, but I want to find out. It's so deep, guys.
Somebody carry on the fire, man.
Wow. Yeah.
Right at that spot is the deepest point.
Right up there?
Yeah, right there. See that lady at? That's the deepest point. Yeah.
And that's where she went?
113 feet. And that's where the greatest diver in the world dived to in the world. Like, and this guy did 7 minutes free dive.
Guys, get out here.
Yeah, 3 people out there with camera right now. You're the middle.
So nice, guys. Not like. So guys, this is the end of the boat ride, and we are back on land. You like the ride, Ken?
Yes.
Yes.
Same cheese for Auntie Marla.
A video. No. That was fun, guys. Now I'm waiting on my other friend to come here. She's late, but we're waiting. The raft too long. I don't feel it's necessary because I don't want to out in a deep water for so long. So me not go out there no more. Me and my friend did go, but she not reach. So we now better go. Because I go on the boat ride already. So now we're gonna go to Boston to get some jerk and go to Frenchman school. We are walking on what basically. I feel like we walk by one out. Yeah, it feels cool around here. It feels really cool. Guys, I don't know what almond. Almond. Guys, you can't see the deepness. Time to go.
Yeah.
I can't imagine how cold it be. Why me to be guinea pig? Yeah, go on, can man. When my money got
Wait,
reach
don't
for-
follow me. Ice water. It's slippery, so you have to be careful.
Go there. Come back right up here.
Why you wanna go in? Why you wanna go in? Goes on skirt.
Pants and shirt.
She's a fish like you.
Why you kick off the toilet?
I'm afraid to touch down the water. Come. We're in the water, guys. We're in here. And it's cold. Crazy, have a fish daughter. She can't swim. You know, South America foreign people they put them in a swim lesson 6 months. Yeah. All 3 months them in a swim. All 3 months they put them in a swim lesson. Cause I can. Is she a little fish? I told y'all. And I can't see the fish. Yeah, I can't see it.
And then if you're not showing
You like the water? You like the water, Ken Ken? Guys, can you look at how deep that is? And you got mad fishes on top of it. But like, this is crazy how deep it is. Like you can literally see. See, once you see those stones, if you go past that, ooh, I don't know. I don't think you're gonna live, to be honest. It's crazy. It's like going downhill for real.
Hey guys, subscribe to my channel at Jody, the Island Girl. Okay.
And chicken on This is better. No? Guys, to reach a Frenchman Cove. Oh my gosh, my lip is like, I got a cold sore. I think I got it from the pool water, and it's very annoying. No, there's no food or drinks allowed on beach. Feel nice out there, man. Woohoo! Guys, we here on the beach and we chilling. Oh my gosh, the sun is hitting. But this is Khadija. Say hi. What kind of weird idea, princess? This is Shani. Hi y'all. Hi Marla's World. Woo! Come on, I guess. I want to keep this. Okay guys, follow Quasi on Instagram at _that. It's so hot, so we about to go in there, yeah. Yo, the sunlight is hitting for real, because we look good. Yeah, I don't really like it here. I feel like it's over-iced. Let me know, like, if you've ever been here, comment below and let me know if you think it's over-iced. Water nice, girl. Water nice. Rock them over this though. Guys, when the wave is coming, then you just ride it. Like, woo, jump a little. My hair's getting wet. I don't want my hair to get wet. Why are you in that cold water?
Hi Marla's World.
Why are you in that cold water when I can't?
Because we're not nasty, Marla's World.
Shani, don't make me tell him a secret.
I bathe once a day, Marla's World. I told them.
That's not the secret.
What is it? Tell them.
That you bathe once a month.
That can't post enough.
When she was just go see. I want to ride this way. I like it, so this nice. Woo! Say bye. Hi. Oh, bye. You had one job. Bye, Marla's World. We had a fun day today. She can't swim, guys. And you didn't try to save me, nor teach me to swim. So, bye. Bye, friend. Bye, Marla's World. Come eat jerk. Guys, now we are leaving. Did you have fun? Did you have fun? Why not?
I didn't get all I could drink. More juice.
What kind of juice?
More juice.
Poochie, you had fun?
Oh yes, I did.
Oh yes, I did.
Relaxed. I babysat.
You babysat.
Yeah.
She used to call me Marla with a O, cause she wanted to sound, you know, a little posh. Okay guys, this is the end of tonight's vlog. I just got home, took a shower, rinsed the salt water out my hair. Thank God my scalp wasn't touched or anything. Yeah, I'm about to eat and do some schoolwork and call it a night and pray that this goes down.